Big time. 40% versus shopping at the grocery store and cut down on food waste because it's portioned perfectly, about 25%. But at HelloFresh.com right now, save big. $80 off and free shipping. HelloFresh.com, promo code Benson saves you $80 off and get you free shipping. HelloFresh.com, promo code Benson, $80 off and free shipping for you. Chad Benson Show.
Now, the 3 big things you need to know, powered by Safe Touch Security.
3.
The final authorization for emergency distribution of a coronavirus vaccine could come within days. It's latest from Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar, as he says 20 million Americans could be vaccinated by the end of the year.
2.
Facebook is facing a new antitrust lawsuit filed by 46 states plus D.C. and Guam, as well as a separate lawsuit from the Trump administration.
1.
We're tracking another cold night tonight across Northeast Florida, but Action News Jack's chief meteorologist Mike Burrish says we should stay above freezing.
When you hear these tones, you know the WOKV Severe Weather Center is activated. You are never more than 10 minutes away from an urgent severe weather report. This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
America, the sacrifices the men and women in the armed forces make daily provide for our freedom. This holiday season, let's take a moment to give back. AuctionForVets.com has many unique, one-of-a-kind signed items from American icons, such as Kobe Bryant, Muhammad Ali, Mike Trout, Ronnie Wood from the Rolling Stones, Sylvester Stallone, and many others. Your next connected tip to make sure our veterans' legacy is never forgotten. Support the American Veterans Center. Visit AuctionForVets.com. That's AuctionForVets.com.
As the Human Resource Director, we're constantly seeking ways to improve health insurance benefits without increasing costs. Take select from all out-of-pocket expenses not covered by the government's primary health plan, up to $100,000 annually per employee. Plans low annual premium not only covers employees, but also their eligible dependents, plus employee reimbursements for tax advantage and the premium cost of tax deductible for employers. Making Exec Select part of your employee benefits plan, go to the website execselect.com.
The holidays are one of the busiest times to be on the road, which means I can't afford to deal with expensive car repair. Who has the time or money for that right now? That's why I call CarShield. With CarShield, you don't get stuck with another high repair bill. CarShield offers affordable protection that can save you thousands for covered repairs. Whether your car has 5,000 miles or 150,000 miles, CarShield has the protection plan for everyone. You can take your car to your favorite mechanic or dealership to do the work, and CarShield gets the rest taken care of. Even if your car breaks down while you're traveling, the choice of repair shop is still up to you. Plus, CarShield gives you 24/7 nationwide roadside assistance, and if your car's going to be worked on for a while, you can get rental car coverage at no additional cost. Drive with confidence, like I do, knowing that if anything happens, you're protected. Get coverage today. Visit CarShield.com. Use code Benson to save 10%. CarShield has the protection plan for everyone. That's CarShield.com. Code Benson to save 10% on deductible and love.
Did you know average screen time has increased 60%? That extra exposure to harmful blue light is putting a lot of additional strain on your eyes. So get the eye care and eyewear you deserve at Pearl Vision. Right now, they'll cover your out-of-pocket cost or insurance copay of your annual eye exam. Schedule your family's eye exams at pearlvision.com today. Valid prescription required. Valid at participating locations. Restrictions apply. Taxes extra. See store for details. Ends 12/31/2020. Exams available at the independent doctors of optometry at or next to Pearl Vision. Some doctors employed by Pearl Vision.
Even as we all practice social distancing, emergencies still happen. Accidents, injuries, and conditions like strokes and heart attacks all require immediate attention, and they can get worse if not treated. Emergency rooms throughout the area are open 24 hours a day to evaluate and treat serious medical emergencies, all while using precautions to decrease exposure to COVID-19. UF Health ER physicians remind you not to wait. In an emergency, call 911 or go to your nearest emergency room.
I'm Jeff Brokaw with Trustline Mortgage. My business partners, Alan Tyre, Bill Pappas, and Ken Remley, have a special offer for anyone who is buying or refinancing a home. It's not something you do every day, so you want to make sure you're getting a great deal. Trustline Mortgage will pay you $100 just to give you a free second opinion. What do you have to lose? Nothing. I know what you're thinking. How can they possibly pay me $100 just to give me a free second opinion? That's crazy. Listen, Trustline Mortgage is celebrating our 30th anniversary this year. You're in business that long because you're good at what you do. Call Trustline Mortgage today to get your free second opinion, your $100, and your peace of mind. Jumbo loans, interest-only loans, conventional, VA, FHA, credit challenge loans, bank statement loans, self-employed, purchases, refinances, you name it, we have it. Call Trustline Mortgage at 381 Loan or visit our website